بیا که قصر عمل سخت سست بنیاد است. بیار باده که بنیاد عمر بر باده است. بیا، come on. بیا که قصر عمل، the palace of dreams، سخت سست بنیاد است. is flimsy, is very flimsy and weak in its foundation. Come on, the palace of dreams is very flimsy and weak in its foundations. بیار باده که بنیاد عمر بر باده است. Bring forth wine as the foundation of life is to be destroyed or easily destroyable. It can be as well translated, it's based, the foundation of life is based on winds. The first piece in which Hafiz makes a reference to the palace of dreams, the word amal, qasr amal. Amal in Arabic means aspiration, hope, and promise. Nevertheless, within the context, one may understand that the palace of dreaming so long and for far-fetched things, this may be what Hafiz has meant. In total, come on, look at this as a palace of dreams you are building. Those dreams and this palace require diligent and hard work. You need to sacrifice your moments, your minutes, your hours and days and years in order to build that palace. Nevertheless, that palace cannot be built upon solid foundations. That is a palace that is by its nature cannot be a fortified edifice, a fortified and strong structure. Daydreaming is based on seeing illusions as facts and realities. So one needs to review constantly his methods of reaching conclusions, because defective methods would not take you to right conclusions. Also, if we assume that the ways of thinking, I mean by that the methods of thinking are not defective, but if the facts are not be looked at and mistaken with delusions, those ways of thinking, regardless of their solid nature, cannot produce results that we desire. So the illusions must not be the foundations of our thinking. If failure is something that we often get in life, perhaps it be apt if we look at our ways of thinking and also the ways of seeing things and presuming them as realities. Therefore, the palace of daydreams or dreams is very weak in its foundation. Bring forth the wine که بنیاد عمر برباد است, as the life itself is not a construction, a structure that is solidly and strongly based. From this piece of poetry, we may infer that one needs to be realistic, also to appreciate the moments as these are the bricks of the time he or she has, the moments in which he or she lives, the moments that are considered to be the present time. Those are important moments. One has to be careful not to destroy them through wishful thinking and being delusional. And life itself is not long. It is not strong enough for us to imagine that we can cling on to it for eternity, and wasting of moments may not be a crucial thing. Wasting moments in a life that is in danger of being destroyed in any second is a thing that one has to avoid.